Are you in these woods?
Who is that?
It's me, your daughter.
Savannah, what are you doing down in this forest?
What are you doing down in this forest?
Well, I've been living in this forest ever since the governor ordered us to sequester ourselves.
That's not what that meant. It meant to stay a safe distance from people and to wash your hands.
What? Why didn't somebody tell me that? I've been living here in this forest for the last month.
You're supposed to figure that out yourself.
Were you worried about me? Did you come down to get me?
No, I had a science question.
Oh,
How do you convert pressure units?
well, I guess I could come and explain. Well, now that I got myself cleaned up, boy, that was a rough month. I should have never made the decision to live in the woods. Let me explain to you how pressure works. You see, we live on the earth, and above us is air. This entire atmosphere is sitting on us right now, and it exerts pressure on us. Now, the thing about this pressure, it's very normal, we all understand it, is scientists have many ways of measuring it. So, the most common way you often see is this thing often labeled the ATM. That stands for an atmosphere because it's the weight of the atmosphere on the earth. Now, the thing is, there's this system called the SI that I've explained to you at one time or another. And they don't use the ATM or the atmosphere. They use something else. And plus, weathermen use something else. And if you have a car and you ever put pressure in your tires, that uses something else. So you have to understand there's multiple ways of doing this. So I want you to understand that one atmosphere is also the same as 14.7 PSIs. That stands for pounds per square inch. Now what that means to you is if I was to draw a square inch on my hand like this and hold it out, there's 14.7 pounds of air pushing on me right there. I know, it's incredible. That's the weight of the atmosphere. Now, in addition to PSI, we also have something called the KPA. This stands for the kilopascal, named after a friend of mine, and it's also the SI unit. Well, this one is 101.3 for every atmosphere. There's one more. It's the millimeters of mercury. Now, the way this comes from is in a barometer, you have mercury in it, and the mercury rises or falls. And if you just record the number of millimeters, it goes up or down, you could actually record the millimeters of mercury. Now, there are 760 millimeters of mercury for one atmosphere. These numbers, if I were you right now, I'd pause this video and write them down somehow, are the ones you will need to make your pressure conversions. And I'll show you how easy this is. Let's say you had an assignment and it wanted you to make 2 ATMs into some number of millimeters of mercury. Well, I bet you're going to need this value and this value. And that's true, because here's how you set it up. For every 2 ATMs, you have this unit cancels, multiply by this, so the answer is 2 times 760. I know, and that's how you make your pressure conversions. Now try some of the other ones on the assignment, and if you're stuck, just let me know, and I'll help you.